why you have to change engine oil, when you have to change engine oil, how you have to change engine oil, and can we put excess oil in the engine to make it run smoothly? So all these questions I will answer in this video. If you are new to this channel, then see that you subscribe and press that bell icon. So come on, let's start the video. So the first question is why you have to change the engine oil. Engine oil is like a heart of an engine, pumping life in every part of the vehicle. And just like the heart needs blood to function properly, engine needs clean oil. Now over time, the engine oil gets contaminated with dirt, metal particles and other impurities. This can lead to reduced lubrication, which increases friction and engine overheating issues. Regular oil change ensures your engine to run smoothly. It also extends its lifespan and also maintains the fuel efficiency. Now the question is, when should we change the oil? Now for every vehicle, the oil change interval is different. So you will have to take out the user manual and read it. Most of the people keep this manual inside the cupboard, or they only take it when it is a servicing time. So don't keep this in the cupboard, open it and read it, because there is lots of good information, important information written on this. And on this you will find your oil change interval. So for old Suzuki XS and Honda Activa 3G, you will have to replace the oil between 3500 to 4000 kilometers, but it is not the same for all the vehicles. See which bike you have, open the manual and check after how many kilometers you should be replacing the oil. So now you know why you have to change the oil and when to change the oil. Now the thing is, can we put some extra oil for the engine to run smoothly? And the answer to that is absolutely no, guys. You can't put excess or less oil. You only have to put the recommended amount of oil, because if you put more oil, then it can cause foaming, reduced oil circulation, pressure on the oil seal, pressure on the crankshaft. It can also damage the catalytic converter. And if you put less oil, it can cause overheating issues, wear and tear. So you should not put extra or less. You should put the exact amount. Now since you know all that stuff, let's move on and see how to replace engine oil on a Honda Activa 3G.
So the first thing, you'll have to come under the silencer, and here as you can see I am come under the silencer, and when you come here you will see the oil drain bolt. This is the oil drain bolt. So now you will have to take a 17mm socket. So this is my 17mm socket, and you will have to take this oil drain bolt out. Before you take it out, see that you place a vessel underneath it, so that the oil which comes out from here will get accumulated in the vessel. Otherwise the oil will spill out and your entire floor will become greasy and full of oil. Now the funniest part here is there was absolutely no oil in this engine, which you have seen already, because no oil came out. It is because I had taken out the oil filter out first, and most of the oil got drained on that side. But while showing you, I will show you the right process. That's why I have put this part first. So I will shake the bike and take out the little oil which is left inside. Then you will have to come on the other side, and from the other side you will have to take out the oil filter. Now in Activa 3G the oil filter is right here. So loosen this cap bolt, place a vessel underneath so that all the oil will fall in the vessel, and remove the cap completely. Now this is the new oil filter style. So as you can see here, this is the oil filter cap. Now keep this on one side. Now where this oil filter is, there will be a spring there. Take this spring out. Now which side this spring was there, just keep a note on that, because you will have to put it back on the same side. And here comes out my oil filter. Now this comes as a strainer. This only you will have to clean and put it back. If there is a big hole in this, then you will have to replace this. But my strainer here looks okay, so this only I will put back. So clean this nicely in the petrol like this. Once you clean it, it will look something like this. And as you can see how clean it is now. Now put this back. Once you put it back, put back the spring which you had taken out. Once you put back the spring, put back the cap and see that you tighten it properly. Then you will have to come on the other side and put back the oil drain bolt which you had taken out. Once you put it back, see that you tighten it properly. Now you will have to come on top side of the silencer, and you will have to take out the oil filler cap. Now on this oil filler cap, it will be written how many liters oil should go inside of this engine. So it is written on it 0.7 liters, which means that you will have to put 700 ml of engine oil inside of this engine. Now this is my oil can. Now in this oil can comes 800 ml. This is 10W30 grade oil. Now don't put entire 800 ml inside of the engine, only put 700 ml. So 100 ml you will have to take out from this can first only, and then empty the entire can inside of the engine. Now the 100 ml oil which you have kept on the side, once you check the oil level on the dipstick, if you feel that it is less oil, what I mean is after running the engine for a while, once you check the oil level, if you feel that it is less, then you will have to top up with that 100 ml oil to acquire the correct level. So this was Honda Activa 3G oil change. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.